Time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Frontenac with Abram Frankenberry, celebrating number 18. Happy birthday from your grandparents.
I cannot believe he is already 18 years old. Wow. Darcy Miller turning 20 years old this year in Girard. That's her on the right there. Happy birthday, Darcy.
And we've got Courtney Edwards celebrating number 23 in Chanute. Says, happy birthday from Mama, love you.
And Samantha Boyer is now, I skipped Samantha. Maybe we'll come back to you. Kyle Tedlock is 34 in Frontenac. Happy birthday to Kyle.
And we've also got Jay Manley turning 44 in Chanute. Happy birthday, Jay. It looks like we did miss Samantha Boyer. She's celebrating birthday number 34 in Walnut also.
All right. And if we can find your picture, we'll get it on tomorrow for you, Samantha.
We will.
Sorry about that. And let's see, we've got Marlene Clark celebrating birthday number 76 this year in Crestline.
And Ken Kelly celebrating number 78 in Columbus. Happy birthday, Ken.
Oh, I love that picture. Sunflowers. And our list goes on. We've got Donna Boudreau celebrating a happy birthday.
And V. Wells in Baxter Springs, another year wiser. Happy birthday, V.
And it's time for the Bugney family to celebrate. Sean and Haley Bugney, 14 years of wedded bliss in Frontenac, Kansas.
All right, we love celebrating birthdays and anniversaries with you. Tanya, where do they need to send these pictures and information to?
All they have to do is email them for birthdays or anniversaries to this one email, birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Make sure you head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.